Are you looking for the top 5 best microfiber mop for hardwood? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 best microfiber mop for hardwood on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Mr.Siga Professional Microfiber Mop. Though Mr.Siga wasn't an immediately recognizable brand, we were delightfully surprised by the excellent job its professional microfiber mop did in testing. We found that this tall mop with an adjustable stainless steel telescoping handle had great reach under dusty couches and around table legs. The very wide rectangular mop head with a 360-degree swivel action meant less work on large floors, since with fewer swipes and greater maneuverability, we got our dusting and wet mopping jobs done quickly. At first, we were stumped on how to moisten the cleaning cloth, but a bit of online research taught us a few tricks for microfiber mops. Simply wet the cloth, roll it up to wring it out, then attach it to the mop head base. The cloths are reusable, just toss in the washing machine to launder. A handy dirt scrubber attachment is included, and the mop can be used on a variety of surfaces, including marble, tile, and laminate, as well as hardwood. Number 2. Bissell Spinwave Powered Hardwood Floor Mop. This corded electric model from Bissell uses a pair of rotating mop pads that power through dust and most dirt, so users needn't apply much elbow grease. Its generous 22-foot cord is long enough to let us reach the corners of even our largest rooms. The included soft touch and scrub pads are machine washable. An on-demand spray feature delivers the cleaning solution from its 28-ounce tank at the touch of a button. Also included are samples of Bissell's own brand of hardwood cleaner, which mixes with water to fuel the mop, while the swivel steering gives access to those hard-to-reach corners. We found that the dual set of round mop heads don't fit well into tight spaces. Also, while our testing found this mop to have plenty of zip to move around the floor and gather surface dirt, it couldn't effectively battle dried mud and ketchup. In fact, the Spinwave spread rather than banish this tough dirt. The Spinwave mop is safe for cleaning sealed hardwood floors as well as tile, vinyl, and linoleum. Number 3. Bissell PowerFresh 3-in-1 Mop and Steam Cleaner. The Bissell PowerFresh costs more than your average mop, but it offers a lot more functionality as well. This mop uses hot steam to clean and sanitize hard floors without any chemicals. Plus, it boasts a large collection of attachments so you can use it throughout the house. The included attachments and accessories include a grout tool, angle tool, flat scraper, bristle scrub brush, and clothing steamer, many of which can be stored on the bottom of the unit for convenience. You can use this mop on virtually any sealed floor, as well as tile, bathroom surfaces, appliances, and more. It has 2 steam settings, and while it was effective at picking up messes, our tester did wish that it came with more than 3 mop heads, as they can get dirty quickly while cleaning. This is also a corded pick, so you're a bit limited as to where you can clean, and assembly definitely takes longer than a standard simple mop that's essentially ready for use out of the box. However, our tester was ultimately thrilled to use this product in more ways than one. Since there are no temperature control settings, they just made sure to hold the handheld iteration of the steam mop away from delicate fabrics they were treating. Number 4. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System. The O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System is a smart twist on a traditional string mop. It comes with a special bucket with a pedal-powered compartment that spins water out of your mop, making it quick and easy to wring out water. In our testing, we found the mop works quickly and efficiently on large spills, soaking up any liquids readily. It performed equally well when used to pick up dry paprika thanks to its microfiber strands, and earned a 5-star rating for effectiveness. While many mop heads are rectangular, the O-Cedar mop has a triangular head that fits into corners easily. Our testers liked that it was easy to maneuver around obstacles, like a chair leg, and said they actually much preferred it in comparison to the traditional, rectangular style mop head. Our biggest complaint with this mop is that grit and grime get stuck in the head, making it hard to clean out once you're done mopping. However, the heads are machine washable, so you can let your washing machine take care of the hard part, if needed. In addition, our tester gave this mop a 4.5-star rating for overall value because they weren't sure how long it was made to last. Plus, Barry notes that the O-Cedar mop is quite bulky to store and may not be the best option for someone who lives in an apartment or small space. That being said, the price point is great for what you'll get, including an adjustable handle that can be extended up to 51 inches. Number 5. Microfiber Wholesale 18 Professional Microfiber Mop. This oversized mop from Microfiber Wholesale is ideal if you have a lot of floor to clean. Its rectangular mop head is 18 inches wide and comes with both wet and dry microfiber mopping pads, allowing you to soak up spills or pick up dust bunnies. In our testing, we found that it does a good job soaking up spills, but is not as effective cleaning up dry materials. Our tester noted that they felt the mop was limited, since there's also no way to wring it out. The pad absorbs liquids well, but without a capacity to rinse and wring it out. it still feels very limiting in its cleaning capacity. One of the standout factors of this mop is its telescoping metal handle, which felt substantially more heavy-duty than most of the other options we tested. We also love that it can extend up to 70 inches, making it an amazing option for a household with several members who want to help with chores. Just know, you'll want to put the microfiber pad in the washing machine to clean it in between uses. Our tester tried running it with water in the sink and noted that it wasn't very effective at getting the sticky, messy spills out. In addition, the handle may need to be timed often. According to our lab tester, this feels like a high-quality, durable product, though I find myself having to really work at tightening the shaft to keep it from collapsing.